What if you could retire years earlier than planned as a woman? How many properties would it really take? And what is the new strategy successful investors are using right now? 25 years ago, I was stuck in the corporate job, dreaming of freedom by following a simple rental property plan tailored for professional women like me. I built enough cash flow to quit my job in my early 30s, and I achieved financial independence in my mid 30s, making millions of dollars. If you are tired of waiting until you are 67 to finally enjoy your life, or worry your retirement account won't be enough, this video is for you. My name is Korianne, and welcome if you are new here. Let's dive in. I will break this into 3 simple points. The step women need to follow to retire early with real estate. How much money or how many properties do you really need? Why is this a new way to retire early compared to the old methods our parents used? The good thing is you don't need to know everything or do everything. You need one clear strategy that aligns with your goal. Start with these steps. Learn one real estate strategy that fits you. It could be rental properties, house hacking, or small multifamily homes. Keep it simple. If you don't have much saving yet, focus on growth and appreciation markets first. Build equity, then pivot to cash flow later. Keep your current job. I know you may want to quit tomorrow, but staying employed helps you qualify for the best mortgage rates. Cut unnecessary expenses. Redirect that money into your future. Save for the down payments. Even if it feels slow, it adds up. Buy one quality property at a time. Don't rush. Only invest when the numbers make sense. If the deal doesn't cash flow, walk away. Upgrade your skills and income. Higher income equal to more investing power. Use bonuses or tax refund to buy rental properties as a down payment. Stop blowing away them on stuff that doesn't last. Be disciplined. Avoid impulsive purchases that delay your freedom. Some sacrifice now equal freedom later. So you are saving, you are learning, but the big question I always get is, how much money or how many properties do you need to quit your 9-to-5 job? This depends on your life, not someone else. Here is how you figure it out. Step number 1, determine your freedom number. How much cash flow would cover your monthly expenses and let you quit your job? Look back at your last 3-4 months of expenses. Be honest. Step number 2, match your investment to that number. For example, if you need $6,000 a month, you can aim for 6 properties that produce $1,000 monthly cash per month each. Some women only need $4,000 a month, while others need $10,000. That's okay. Step number 3, use leverage smartly. If you have $300,000 saved, you can use that for the down payments in cash flow and markets. Example strategy like buy 4 fourplexes. If each bring $1,000 a month net, that is a $4,000 per month. That's enough for many women to step back from their 9-to-5. Want to learn how you can achieve this? Join the waitlist for my upcoming coaching program. The link is in the description. So why is this different from the old way of the waiting until you are 67? Let's talk about what makes this new retirement model. Why this is a new way to retire early. Traditional retirement say work until you are 67, save in 401k, cross your fingers, you don't outlive your money. The problem, most retirees have less than $500,000 saved and worry they will run out. Real estate is different. Cash flow and rentals cut 15 to 20 years of your working life. For example, let's say you are in your mid 30s and start investing in your first rental property today. Each year, you save enough for another down payment. So over the next 5 to 10 years, you can invest 5 cash flowing rentals. Fast forward, you own 5 rentals for 20 years. They could generate about 7,000 per month. If your freedom number is 6,000 per month, you can choose to work or not. That's power. Tax benefits go back into buying more rentals, accelerating your wealth. Appreciations build your net worth. A 200,000 property today could be 400,000 in 20 years from now. 5 of those equal to 1 million net worth. Flexibility. You don't need millions saved in the bank. You need assets that pay you every month. This is why so many women are using real estate to retire early. It's proven, predictable, and it doesn't require winning the lottery. Now, I want to hear from you. What is your freedom number? How soon do you want to retire or done with your 9 to 5? What is holding you back right now? Drop your answers in the comments below, please. I reply to all of them. And don't forget, check out the videos linked below on how to increase your income and live rent-free. Thank you so much for being here and watching. And as always, successful investing, and ciao for now.